Dream, search, drive. Cars.co.za. Every year now for over a decade, the sleepy town of Knysna in South Africa comes alive for the Simola Hillclimb. I had raced here once before, but this year would be special. BMW South Africa asked me if I wanted to try something a bit different, something electric.
Right. Let me warm her up. Good to go.
Day one was wet, very wet, but with all-wheel drive and a genius traction control system, I pushed up the hill feeling more at ease than some of the other drivers.
Okay, left foot on the brake. Waiting for the flagman. Wonder what his official name is. Flagman? The flagster? MC Flagger? Here we go. Very fast to the first corner, hard on the brakes. Let's try apex a little better here. Right, see if we can use full throttle up the hill. Full throttle. Lean on the brakes a little more. Into turn 3. That was terrifying. Full throttle. Hard on the brakes. I'm still not used to this car's brakes, but I think I am going a lot faster. Gentle on the throttle through the S's here. This is where things can go really wrong. A little policeman down. And cross the line. That felt good. That felt really good. Oh, wow, I was brave there. Full throttle. Through full throttle off the line, full throttle up the main hill, full throttle up the second straight. Sheesh, this car is quick. I mean, it just doesn't, it's absolutely relentless. Up to about 160 k's an hour. Oh man, it was awesome. Stoked with that.
My wheels this weekend were quite special. BMW had flown the car in for me. It was the only unit in SA and basically priceless. No pressure then. The i4M50 is a dual motor all-wheel drive rocket with 400 kilowatts and nearly 800 Newton meters of torque. We ran it on road tires. The car was untouched from factory. It impressed everyone with the way it leapt off the line, and to be honest, it was the perfect car for a relative amateur like myself. The car gave me huge confidence and I went faster on every single run.
Good morning. Now, Simola mornings are some of my favorite mornings. A, because there's really good coffee, and B, because you get to feel the vibe of everyone getting their cars ready for the race, trying to fix the problems that they maybe had overnight. warming up the tires, the drivers getting in the zone, getting ready to go up the hill. Day 2 is the big day of King of the Hill. This is when Kings of the Hill are crowned. It's all important today. Yesterday was fun, qualifying was fun, but this is when it matters. I'll see you later.
At some point during the Sunday, I had a feeling that I might be close to the electric car record. I asked the organizers if I was getting close. They pulled the records and told me that it was set by racing legend Dion Hubert in a Jaguar I-Pace some years ago. Now that I had got into the 49s, it felt like the record was in reach.
49! Okay everyone, welcome to the class final. Here's the situation. In qualifying 6, I did a 49.3. The time to beat for the EV record was 49.5, so we unofficially have the EV record for Simola, the all-time electric car record. But for the time to count, for it to be concrete, I have to do it in the class final or the shootout. Now that would have meant that I would have only had one opportunity to get it. But we made the shootout, the top 10. I crept in there in 10th place. So I'm queuing right now for the class final. The start line's in front of me. There's one more e-golf to go, my competitors. And then we are going for the record. All right, here we go. Class final. Here we go. Let's make this count. Left foot on the brake, right foot on the throttle. Let's go. Nice. Turn 1 was good. Let's go. Get the bridge corner. Stuffed that up a little bit. Think I can still make the time though. Carried good speed through there. Whoa, bit of a 4-wheel drift through the S's. Let's go full throttle.
Here we go, getting towards the end of the lap. Sliding through there and fast. He looks very, very quick. 49.307.
Scared myself a little bit. Okay, I think that was about my personal limit of what I what I feel I can do in this car. Gave myself a bit of a fright there. Oh, I got the bridge corner so wrong. Damn it. If I got that bridge corner right, I reckon that was a 48. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't wait to get to the pits to get my time. I've got to get it off race monitor. 49.307. Yes, I went a little bit faster and we have the record. We have the record. Electric car record. Yes.
Confirmation of securing the record flooded my mind with the reality of what this weekend meant to me. The truth is that because of a chronic medication I've taken for years, I was denied a motorsport license to race. I had to make a special application to Motorsport South Africa, and just days before the hill climb was to begin, it didn't look like I was going to be going up the hill. It was a truly awful feeling, but going from that lowest of lows to this incredible high was simply overwhelming.
I'm so happy.
In the Supercar Shootout, I placed 9th and went even faster, and the EV record for the hill now stands at 49.231. This year in 2023, I'll be in the commentary box while our very own Ashley Oldfield will be racing a brand new BMW XM up the hill, and the rather excellent Thomas Falconer will be sending the same i4M50 up the hill in a bid to bring the record home for BMW again, and I wish him all the best.
Not only is Cars.co.za the best place to find your dream car, but it's also the easiest place to sell your current car. Check out the sell car section on our main website. Simply list your car's details and all of our dealers will take bids on your car. You just choose the highest price. Boom, your car's gone. On to your next one. Right, thanks very much for watching the video. Okay, I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm finished now.
Cars.co.za